Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on Monday, September the 25th, 2023. Not so good news today because we have here two regular puzzles, the Medium Sudoku and Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Not so good news because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you, no extra puzzles, no additional. What I will do is I will solve an additional of several days ago. I believe Thursday. We have Thursday 3 puzzles left. I will do those puzzles. Yeah, no extra puzzles. This is the Thursday edition, September the 21st, 2023. Here we have 3 puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, and the Jigsaw Sudoku. Okay, these 3 puzzles I will do in the evening, but first those 2 puzzles. Right now, yeah, those 2 regular puzzles. And what's the news of today? Well, in the weekend we have a match between Amsterdam and Rotterdam, Ajax against Feyenoord. Well, disaster because they throw fireworks on the field. So the second half, the referee stopped the match. So yeah, it's a disaster, that match. A lot of children are crying here. Well. But Rotterdam Feyenoord has scored 3-0, but they need to continue the match Wednesday, I believe. Alright, Medium Sudoku, number 7157. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus and additional, it will be a 1 star. And 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Wow. Almost 3 minutes pass. Okay, so let's get started with this one. Okay, let me see which number can I pick. How about the number? Let me see. Which number can I pick? 2, need a 2, 7, 4, 7 and 8. Okay, well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 8. Well, we have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, or there. We see an 8 in the 3rd row, so no 8 there. And 8 in the 1st row, no 8 there. So the only place left with 8 in this column should be there. 7, okay. Need a 7 there, okay. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the 1st column, 4 in the 2nd column. So the 3rd column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright, 268. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Okay. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. And 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in the 3rd row, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 1. Okay, 1 1 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. How about 3 7 9. Three missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 and a 9 is missing. 3 7 9 3 7 9 3 7 9 3 7 9. Then look, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in this box. We have 7 in this row, so no 7 in that box. So the 3 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. Alright. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes here. 9 in this row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 9. 9 9. Okay. That means in this column we have here 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 9. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. And here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. So the 9 in this column could be here, could be there. Okay. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. On that column, there are only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So on that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 3, okay. Well, 3 3 3 3. 8 8. Come on. Need a 7 here. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Yep. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 6, okay.
Sorry? Ja, dat komt voor de informatiebijeenkomst. Information meeting.
Well. 2 and okay. 5 yeah. Need a 5 here. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here, could be there in this big square. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, alright. And here I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 box left in this row. Second row for number 1. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. The 1 in the last column, the 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Alright. Okay. And now, seven. Two missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Yeah. 7. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. Alright. Okay. Then 9 and a 6. 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. About the 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 3. Alright. And now, 8 and the 5. Let me see. Let me see. 9 and do we have all the 7s? Yes. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing here. I marked those two boxes earlier with the 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. Only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 2 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 and a 9, we have a 2 now. In the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square, I believe the 9. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, oh no. Yeah, we have all the 9s, I believe. Yes. Then. Let me see. Yeah, 2 numbers left in the last row. I believe the 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5 are missing. In the last row, we have a 5 in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. Two numbers left in this big square. One was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is missing 6, 7, 8. Is missing 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in the third column. 5 in the second column. So the first column. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. One numbers 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 2 goes there. And the final two numbers, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 8 goes there. Finishing 15 minutes. Minus 3. Well, faster than 15 minutes, so I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.